So let us find the value of k in the following. 4 raised to k minus 4 raised to k minus 1 is equal to 48. So we will write 4 raised to k as it is. Now 4 raised to k minus 1 is in the form of a raised to m plus n. So we will now split 4 raised to k minus 1 into a raised to m, a raised to n. So it is 4 raised to k into 4 raised to minus 1. Okay, because this is m and this is plus n. Now 4 raised to k minus 4 raised to k. Now how will we turn this negative exponent into a positive exponent? Yeah, into 1 by 4. We will change the place of numerator and denominator. So it becomes 4 raised to 1 is equal to 48. Now children, you can see that there is 4 raised to k common in both these numbers. So we will take 4 raised to k outside and we will write, if you take 4k out, there will be only 1 minus, if you have taken common 4 raised to k out, only 1 will remain common, is equal to 48. Now 4 raised to k, now if you take a quarter away from 1, the remainder is 3 by 4 is equal to 48. So 4 raised to k is equal to 48. 3 by 4 when it comes to right hand side from left hand side, it becomes 4 by 3. So 3 16s are 48. 4 raised to k is equal to 64. So 4 raised to k, now we will turn 64 also with 4 as a base. So if you divide 4, it is 64 can also be written as 4 cube. So 64 is 4 cube. Now base has become same. So what is k? Equate the powers. K is equal to 3. Hope you understood, children.